Encountered the taskbar has stopped working issue in Windows 11 or 10? Let's get it fixed. To open the Task Manager on your system, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys together on the keyboard. Click the Processes tab on the top left menu of the Task Manager window as shown below. Right-click on the Windows Explorer from the list of running apps and select Restart from the context menu as shown in the below screenshot. Once the Windows Explorer restarts, check if the issue is resolved. Press the Windows key and type PowerShell. Right-click on the PowerShell application and select Run as Administrator from the options as shown below. This opens the elevated PowerShell window. Execute the below command in the PowerShell as shown below. Get AppX package. All users vertical bar. For each. Add AppX package. Disable development mode. Register. Wait till it executes the command and all the apps get re-registered, and later reboot the system. Open the elevated command prompt window by typing CMD in the Run command box. Press Win plus R keys together. Then hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together. Accept the UAC prompt by clicking Yes to proceed. Type sfc/scano in the command prompt and tap on Enter key to start scanning for corrupted system files. Once it is done, replace, delete any corrupted data files if any are found on the system. Later, execute the below command, which will restore the health of the system using the DISM tool as shown below. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After everything is done, close the command prompt window. Open the Settings app by pressing the Win plus I keys simultaneously. Select the Windows Update option from the menu on the left side of the Settings window. Then click Check for Updates on the top right corner of the window, as shown below. If there are any available updates, please download and install them. Once done, restart the system to let those updates take effect. After the system boots up, see if the taskbar is working as expected. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.